When the white-grey ball press is in use, we should pay attention to check every part on the device to see if they are loose or not handle well in some places, so as not to affect the production of failure. When the white and grey ball press is working normally, we should pay attention to check whether the belt is off track. If there is an off-track problem, we can adjust the roller bearing before and after the top wire. The equipment should pay attention to check whether there are metal substances in the pressed materials. Because of the metal, it will damage the surface of the roller. When the white and grey ball press operates normally, it is necessary to ensure that the material provided must be sufficient to avoid the occurrence of air pressure. Before the white ball press begins to operate, the machine should be idled for a few laps before it begins to add materials, because when the machine starts at the beginning, it is necessary to see how much material it can fill into the maximum, so that the equipment will not be damaged.